You are merging onto the highway in your diesel rig, you step on the gas to get up to speed, and suddenly the truck feels like it is dragging a 10-ton anchor while a thick cloud of black smoke pours out of the tailpipe and your acceleration just vanishes. You look down and see the check engine light, and your scanner tells you it is code P2454, which means the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor eye circuit is reading a voltage that is way too low. This is a massive deal for any modern diesel owner because it involves the critical system that keeps your exhaust clean and your engine breathing properly. Think of the DPEF as a giant ceramic soot trap living under your truck. It is usually a cordierite fiber element that is designed to catch 90% of the carbon particles before they hit the atmosphere. To know when this filter is getting full and needs to be cleaned through a process called regeneration, the computer uses a specialized pressure sensor. This sensor is typically mounted up in the engine compartment away from the extreme heat and uses two high-temperature silicon hoses to monitor the pressure levels before and after the filter. When the powertrain control module, or the PCM, sees a voltage signal that is lower than the programmed limits, it thinks the sensor has failed or the hoses have fallen off or collapsed. This is an urgent situation because if the computer cannot accurately tell when the filter is getting choked with soot, it will stop running those vital regeneration cycles. If that happens, your filter will clog up completely, which creates massive back pressure that can lead to internal engine damage or even a ruined turbocharger in a very short amount of time. Your first move should be a very thorough visual inspection under the hood and along the entire exhaust path. I have seen countless cases where those silicon hoses have melted, cracked, or simply been chewed through by a rodent looking for a warm place to hide during the winter. If the hoses are solid and clear of any clogs, then the sensor itself has likely given up the ghost internally. Grab your digital volt ohm meter and test the resistance of the sensor against the manufacturer's specific charts in your service manual. Also, check for an exhaust leak in front of the filter. A rusted out flange or a cracked pipe will let the pressure escape, giving you that false low reading. Keeping this system happy is the only way to prevent your truck from entering a restrictive limp home mode, so handle it fast to keep your power levels up and your exhaust clean for the next 100,000 miles. It might just be a simple hose swap that saves you thousands of dollars on a new filter assembly.